Alright, so I'll go through a few further issues that exist on the website. So I've got WaveRock here, which is a protected page via WPE member. I'm going to clear all my cache and I'm going to refresh this page. And I'm logged out, which is great, and redirected. Now when I log in, the map is up here and the screen is grey. So that's issue 1. The next issue is because I loaded WaveRock and got redirected. If I now revisit that page now that I'm logged in, it's not loading correctly. There is an issue there. If I didn't get redirected and then went to this page, it would be fine. It's because I actually, the caching issue that this is displaying like that. That's essentially it. Over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.